The job description of an audit assistant involves supporting the audit team in evaluating financial records, ensuring compliance with regulations, and contributing to the financial health of the organization. Audit assistants play a key role in ensuring that businesses or government entities maintain accurate financial practices. They assist in the process of reviewing financial statements, evaluating internal controls, and identifying potential areas of financial risk or inefficiency. Audit assistants are typically employed in accounting firms, large corporations, or governmental agencies, helping the audit team carry out audits for various clients. They may also be assigned to internal audit teams, working within an organization to ensure that internal financial practices meet regulatory standards. While the job description of an audit assistant is often viewed as a stepping stone for aspiring auditors, it also requires a high level of responsibility and attention to detail. This role is pivotal in ensuring that the audit process is conducted smoothly and in compliance with all relevant standards. As an entry-level position in the field of auditing, the role is designed for individuals who are detail-oriented, analytical, and able to work under pressure. Audit assistants are often involved in reviewing financial transactions, preparing audit work papers, and assisting in the preparation of audit reports, making them an essential part of any audit team. Primary responsibilities of an audit assistant. An audit assistant is typically responsible for assisting in the preparation of audit documentation, which includes collecting financial data, preparing working papers, and ensuring that financial records are up to date. These tasks help to ensure that audits are conducted efficiently and that financial statements are accurate. The primary function of the audit assistant is to support the lead auditors by ensuring that all required information is obtained and properly organized for review. One of the core responsibilities is reviewing financial transactions and verifying their accuracy. This often includes tasks like reconciling accounts, comparing transactions to bank statements, and identifying any discrepancies that might need further investigation. The audit assistant will work under the supervision of senior auditors to ensure compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Audit assistants are also tasked with conducting preliminary research. This could include reviewing past audit reports, analyzing financial data, and helping to identify trends or issues that may require attention during the audit process. They may also need to assist in testing internal controls and examining financial statements to determine whether they are prepared in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, or other relevant accounting frameworks. Another important responsibility is assisting in the preparation of audit reports. Once the audit process is complete, audit assistants often help in compiling the findings into a comprehensive audit report. This can involve drafting sections of the report, ensuring that the language is clear and precise, and helping senior auditors review the findings for accuracy. Essential skills and qualities for the role. An audit assistant must possess a range of skills to be effective in their role. First and foremost, strong analytical skills are critical. Audit assistants are tasked with reviewing financial data and identifying errors, inconsistencies, or unusual patterns that could indicate financial mismanagement or fraud. This requires the ability to think critically and pay close attention to detail. Time management is another key skill required for an audit assistant. Auditors often work within tight deadlines and need to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. Audit assistants must be able to prioritize their work, ensure tasks are completed on time, and handle the pressures of a demanding work environment. A solid understanding of accounting principles is fundamental to the role. Audit assistants must be familiar with financial statements, internal controls, and various accounting procedures. Although formal qualifications, such as a degree in accounting or finance, are often required, a practical understanding of how businesses record and report their financial data is equally important. Additionally, communication skills are essential in the role of an audit assistant. Audit assistants must often collaborate with other members of the audit team, communicate with clients, and report on their findings. Being able to explain complex financial information in a clear and understandable way is crucial to the success of the audit process. Work environment and challenges. The work environment for audit assistants can vary depending on the size and nature of the organization. In accounting firms, audit assistants often work in a fast-paced, client-facing environment where they may travel to client locations to carry out audits. In larger corporations or government organizations, they may work more closely with internal teams, assisting in regular internal audits and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Audit assistants may also be required to work long hours, especially during busy seasons. For example, many businesses conduct annual audits, and audit assistants may be required to work overtime to ensure that the audit is completed within the required timeframe. During peak periods, such as the end of the fiscal year, the workload can increase significantly, which can be both challenging and rewarding. The role can also be mentally demanding. Audit assistants are often tasked with reviewing large volumes of data, and the accuracy of their work is crucial to the overall success of the audit. This can lead to a high level of responsibility and occasional stress, particularly when dealing with complex financial records or tight deadlines. Another challenge faced by audit assistants is the need to stay up to date with changing regulations. Accounting standards and financial regulations are subject to change, and audit assistants must be proactive in learning about new rules and ensuring that audits comply with the latest requirements. Educational requirements and training. The job description of an audit assistant typically requires a degree in accounting, finance, or a related field. In many cases, candidates with a degree in business administration or economics may also qualify, depending on the specific requirements of the organization. A strong academic background in mathematics, statistics, or business principles is highly beneficial. In addition to a formal degree, many audit assistants pursue certifications or additional training in accounting or auditing. Popular certifications include the Certified Public Accountant (CPA) designation or the Chartered Accountant (CA) qualification, though these are often pursued after gaining experience in the field. Some organizations also provide training in specific auditing tools or software used for data analysis, reporting, and financial analysis. On-the-job training is also a key component of the role. Audit assistants typically start by learning from senior auditors or managers, gaining practical experience in auditing techniques and methodologies. This hands-on training helps them become familiar with the audit process, the tools used, and the expectations of the organization. Over time, they may take on more complex tasks and develop a deeper understanding of financial auditing. Conclusion. The job description of an audit assistant involves a detailed and analytical role focused on supporting the audit process. Audit assistants help maintain the integrity and accuracy of financial records, working closely with auditors to ensure compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Success in this role requires strong analytical skills, a solid understanding of accounting principles, and the ability to manage time effectively. For individuals interested in pursuing a career in accounting or auditing, becoming an audit assistant provides valuable experience and lays the foundation for future career growth. Whether working in public accounting firms, large corporations, or government agencies, audit assistants contribute significantly to the accuracy of financial reporting and play a key role in ensuring that organizations maintain sound financial practices.